Looks like there is a big change in Tesla's referral program. Tesla quietly slashes referral program reward for solar roof. This is what happened. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news if you are here first time, and give us thumbs up, please. So Tesla has updated its referral program reward for solar roof installations to reduce it from $500 to $300 per referred installation. Last year, Electrek reported that Tesla plans to completely revamp its referral program, saying, according to a source familiar with the matter, Tesla plans to eliminate referral links, which owners often spam on social media, and instead turn to an app-based referral program promoting in-person referrals. Well, looks like that day came. A few months later, Tesla ended its referral program for everything except its solar roof. The company has yet to launch a new version of its referral program for electric vehicles, and we don't expect it to come for a while, as the company still has a massive backlog of orders, resulting in being production constrained for the foreseeable future. How many people are still waiting for their Teslas to come because they have referred so many people? If you guys are one of them, let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Are you in the referral program and still waiting some money or cars to come from Tesla? Now, but in the meantime, it has been tweaking the referral program, Tesla, for solar products. While it was only for solar roof installations at first, Tesla added solar panel installation back to its referral program with a $300 award per installation late last year. Now, Tesla is reducing the $500 award for solar roof referrals to match the award for solar panel installations. The automaker updated the language on its referral program support page, saying, I quote, "Friends and family who order through your referral link can earn $300 for solar roof or solar panels upon permission to operate, while also reducing reliance on the grid and producing clean solar energy. You will earn $300 for each solar roof or solar panels referral." Tesla has been known to not always pay out its awards, like I said, from the referral programs. Most famously, it has yet to deliver on the many Tesla Roadsters and Roadster discounts that it has promised to buyers for the referral program between 2017 and 2019, a critical time in Tesla's history. The company has also yet to deliver on some special awards, like sending an image of the referrer's choice to space on a SpaceX rocket. Are you one of them? Let me know, friends. What do you think about Tesla quietly slashing its referral program? I think this is going to be changing a lot of things. Now, referral programs are just advertising. When you have more demand than supply, you cut back on advertising. And now Tesla seems to have more demand than supply. Well, let me know your thoughts. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and breaking news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage, and please give us thumbs up. Would greatly appreciate you sharing this in social media. Have a great day.